Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best cleaning solutions. Today, we're comparing two popular steam mops, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. Let's find out which one truly deserves the title of Best Steam Mop. When it comes to price, the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop is priced at $149, which many reviewers appreciate for its effectiveness and quality. They commend its 3-level steam setting and durability, with some stating they have purchased it multiple times over the years. On the other hand, the Neugo Steam Mop comes in at a budget-friendly $109, with users praising its value for money and effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces, including grout and scuff marks. It's like the Shark is a fancy restaurant, while the Neugo is your reliable diner. Steam power is crucial for a good clean, and the Neugo Steam Mop heats up to a whopping 230 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for deep cleaning. Reviewers have noted how effective it is at sanitizing without leaving a slippery film, especially on tile floors. Meanwhile, the Shark is known for its solid construction and adjustable steam settings, but some users feel it's better suited for light dusting rather than deep cleaning. It's like comparing a gentle breeze with a full-on hurricane. Adjustable steam modes can make a big difference, and Neugo excels here with its customizable settings for different floor types. Reviewers appreciate the ability to dial back the steam for delicate surfaces, almost like having a therapist for your floors. Shark, however, has a more straightforward approach with its steam setting, which may not suit every cleaning need. It's clear that Neugo offers more versatility for those tough stains. Water tank capacity is another factor to consider. The Neugo Steam Mop features a removable 15.2 ounces tank, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without constant refills. Reviewers have noted that while it may require more frequent pad replacements, the efficiency is worth it. In contrast, Shark's tank is smaller and may leave users scrambling for refills during larger cleaning tasks. It's like trying to fill a kiddie pool with a garden hose. Good luck with that. Finally, design and ease of use matter significantly. Neugo's adjustable height feature earns it high praise, with many users stating it prevents backaches during extended cleaning sessions. Shark, while stylish, can be cumbersome to use for long periods, leading to discomfort. Reviewers appreciate Neugo's lightweight design and maneuverability, making it a favorite for families with children and pets. Overall, reviews for the Shark Professional Steam Pocket Mop highlight its durability, effectiveness, and ease of use, making it a trusted choice for many. However, some users have experienced issues with the water tank and steam production over time. In contrast, the Neugo Steam Mop garners praise for its powerful steam, effective cleaning capabilities, and great value for money, although some users note a need for a larger water tank. Both products have their strengths, but Neugo seems to shine in versatility and power. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you prefer and why. Don't forget, the product links are in the description below. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your humor dirty.